In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable offline mode in Zoho Mail. This is really useful if you travel a lot, have an unstable internet connection, or simply want to make sure you can read and work with your emails even when you're not online. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. Sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're using a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox because offline mode relies on your browser's ability to store data locally on your device. Once you're in your inbox, give it a moment to fully load before moving on. At the top of the Zoho Mail interface, look for the offline icon. This is usually located near the other quick access icons in the header area of the page. Hovering your mouse over it should show a small label or tooltip that mentions offline. Click on this icon to open the offline settings section. If you don't see the icon right away, try maximizing your browser window or checking that you're in the main mail view and not inside another Zoho app. After clicking the icon, you'll be taken to the offline settings page. Here, you'll see an option to enable offline mail. Look for the checkbox next to Enable Offline Mail. Click the box to turn this feature on. When you do this, Zoho Mail is essentially asking your browser for permission to store a copy of your recent emails on your device, so they'll still be accessible even when you lose your internet connection. Once the box is checked, you may see some additional information or a short description of what will be stored and how much space it might use. Review this briefly so you know what to expect, then click on the next button to continue. This step confirms your selection and lets Zoho Mail start configuring offline access for your account. After you click Next, you'll be brought to a final confirmation screen. Here, all you need to do is click Save. This tells Zoho Mail to apply the offline settings you chose and start syncing the data it needs.